Okay, there's a street sign right there that says Rua de Miguel Aires, and then right over here there's a nice little park. We're gonna walk into that park a little bit as well, and then we're also gonna walk down Miguel Aires all the way down to this Pont 16 all the way down, which is where the waterfront is at. So we're gonna start right here. We'll put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this looks really nice right on the corner. We're gonna walk into that park. Let me just see if we can go across. Right up there is the street sign. You can see Rua de Miguel Aires. Then you can also see this kind of corner store right here. So we're gonna be walking directly into this little park. And this is Pagoda de Bazaar Street, and straight ahead is a Taoist temple, and then sometimes we'll have different stuff going on in here. Today it's a little bit quiet, and then there's a new hotel here. This wasn't here a couple years ago. It's relatively new. It goes all the way down. That's the entrance to the park right there, and our street is all the way down that way as well. Let me just kind of capture. It's kind of pretty in here, so let me just walk all the way down. And this is at the foot of our street that leads right all the way to the waterfront. So we'll give you all the context of our street by walking around a little bit. If you were to go up this street right here, Esteligens, it goes right to like Sao Paulo ruins up in that area, Santa Square, São Domingos, St. Dominic's. So if somebody was to stay at this hotel, they could get right to all of those tourist sites. But this right here is more, I don't know if this is a tourist site itself. Not really, but this is pretty though. So we are going to walk down our Target Street. We'll walk this way as we film it. It's kind of, that's our Target Street right there. It's really cool right there, like that. Okay, let me see. There's our little corner store right there. That's our Target Street. We're going to be going directly down that way. Going down that way. Let's get over this. This is Guimara Street. So you have another little nice beautiful corner here. And then those beautiful buildings on that way, that's part of a plan to revitalize the neighborhood. So they painted a whole block of buildings around that area, including Guimara Street. So anyways, let's go down our Target Street. Let's see, we'll get by some of these schools go by. Okay. So let's go down. Rua de Miguel Aires Street. That building on the corner is kind of the most beautiful one. Let's see what they have here. Chicken, okay. Beef intestines, pork chop bun. A little bit, let me see what this one is. This is a restaurant as well with, okay. A little bit spicy, some of it. Okay, so, oh, here's another little familia. So this is the one that was at the park, was a bigger one, and this is the same thing. They call it family houses, Pensão Familia, like guest house, family guest house. And they're really beautiful because they stand out, like the way that they're presented like that, they really stand out with their beauty. And we saw that with the other one on the other, all the way down as well. So these kind of came up everywhere throughout the whole city now. So this is one of many. And that one on the park was one of the larger ones. We're gonna walk all the way down to Pont 16 in a moment. Let me just walk over there real quick. Inside of these, we'll have these beautiful murals. So that will also have these murals as well. look like that. So like old Macau. It's interesting because this one right here looks like it could become something like that as well. It's like kind of small and narrow. Let me just walk back. And then that other pension house, they bought it and it's like right over on this side. So we'll go back and take a look. And there it is right there. So that whole thing is the same kind of place, also a family pension house as well. Okay, so let's go back down this way. Yeah, that really stands out. It's like really, they really lighten it up, and they have nice, beautiful colors. The golden yellow is kind of the look to all the pension houses. And they even have like kind of mini balconies. You can see it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the way up, it even staggers a little bit. Anyways. So yeah, it's quite pretty. And then straight ahead is Pont 16. We're gonna be showing you that in a moment. See what else we got in here. These places change hands sometimes. So I think this Wall Street is new. It's like it's called an ice strip house. And then this one looks a little bit, there's a mechanic right there. This one looks kind of nice. Mr. Gung. Dim sum. Okay. So our street will lead all the way to Pont 16. And I might walk across it, but our official street will end right here. And then Pont 16 is, here's the street sign right here. Rue de Miguel Iris. And then, let's see. This is a giant hotel right on the coastline. So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the camera off and get over to the other side. But this would be kind of our target street right here. So let's go to the other side. And our target street is directly down that way, which you can't really see through the buses. But then the Pont 16 is right here. So that was our target street. And then all this Pont 16, there's a beautiful little park, and the waterfront is right over there. So I think I'm gonna end my video over by the waterfront. But yeah, that's Rue de Miguel Iris, right between these two buildings. But it's kind of pretty that you can see all these other ones too. Let's see as the bus moves. I don't know if it's that pretty of a sight to really see it, but that's what it would be. You know, the bus goes by. But look at all these buildings. Like, I kind of like the way that that's built like that, especially this tall green one. All these kind of tall, thin ones like that. Anyways, that will be the end of our video. And then just to come to a complete ending spot, there's actually a little parking garage right here, and then to the left is the ocean. So all those little streets like the Miguel Iris goes into the city a little bit. I don't know if it's worth filming or not. Let me just turn the camera off. And this is the ending of our video. So this is the waterfront right here. All the seagulls, beautiful birds flying around. Over on that side is the Wanzai coast of Zhuhai, city of Zhuhai, China. Parking garage right here. And then our little street was, you can see Macau Tower in the background, barely. But ours was just down that way. So let's end the video.